This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your iPhone 15 model and installing the latest iOS update because Apple Intelligence features depend on current system software. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication so settings sync securely. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and ensure battery stays above 50% while configuring. This prevents interruptions. Now tap Settings, then Apple Intelligence or Siri, and search to begin the activation flow and grant requested permissions so the system can analyze local context safely. Next, you enable Apple Intelligence features and tailor them to your needs. Go through each toggle, suggestions, writing assistance, and integrations so the system only activates what you want. Make sure to grant permissions for microphone, camera, location, and on-device data access when prompted. These are necessary for contextual suggestions and live interactions. Once permissions are accepted, customize frequency and app access so processing stays efficient and private. Finally, review predictive text and privacy summaries to understand how on-device models use your data. To finish, test core features. Ask Siri for context-aware help, try writing suggestions in notes, and watch for mail or messages prompts. If something doesn't respond, reboot your iPhone and revisit settings to reauthorize permissions. This often resolves missing access. Make sure background app refresh and low power mode settings aren't limiting on device processing. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence settings to defaults and sign out of Apple ID, then sign back in, or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.